Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I am going to show you how to quickly change your currency on the Alibaba desktop website. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to alibaba.com. Look at the very top right corner of the homepage. You will see a small section that displays your current country, language, and currency. Hover your mouse over that section, and a drop-down menu will automatically appear. In that menu, locate the currency option. Click the drop-down box right below it. You will now see a list of available global currencies. Simply scroll through the list and click on the currency you want to switch to. Once you have made your selection, click the orange Save button at the bottom of the menu. The website will automatically reload and all product prices will instantly update to reflect your newly chosen currency. It is that easy. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please drop a like on the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.